Welcome. Thank you for your time. This is a video from our business building roadshows, and today we are giving context and background to the transformation of knowledge worker services. Please feel free to enjoy the other videos and to subscribe. Our conversation is about the right information provided at the right time in the right way so that processes can be automated. If you look at the information sources we're going to need, they include spatial data, transaction data, document data, database data, and image. There's a whole range of data that is needed. This is effectively the data layer. We need the information relationships between the data, which is the metadata. It needs to be part of a process and workflow. We obviously need search, and we need to be able to assure the information that we have access to in terms of quality, permissions, gaps, a whole series of criteria. All of these elements are going to merge together to form artificial intelligence, and this is effectively the AI layer. The third layer that we need to include is the security, the role-based access, the messaging, the alerts and monitoring, and the interfaces into other systems and data sources. This is effectively the management layer. The management layer itself will become increasingly automated using artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence will also be involved in the data layer in helping us address issues of quality, gaps in the data, and those kinds of aspects. All three layers need to be provided. All three layers need to integrate seamlessly if artificial intelligence and the automation of knowledge worker services is to be achieved. Please feel free to get further details from the book, including case studies, scenarios, exercises, and practical implementation details. The book is available direct from the publisher, Amazon, or other bookstores. Any author profits from the book and the videos go to charity and community purposes. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the session and look forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please make the most of the other videos.